Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the diagnosis section within the diagnosis and plan system. Once the practitioner has examined the patient, the practitioner will then diagnose the patient by identifying the patient's illness by completing the form. The ICD-10 builder is used to assist the practitioner to find the correct diagnosis code, which allows for the planning of any further clinical procedures necessary. In order to access the diagnosis and plan panel, the user will need to open a general examination form. Navigate to the diagnosis and plan panel. Click on the diagnosis and plan panel in order to expand it. Once the diagnosis and plan panel has expanded, navigate to the diagnosis portion of the panel. The diagnosis is the medical issue detected by the practitioner by performing various tests and procedures. Click on the ellipse button to add the ICD-10 code. The ICD-10 builder screen will open. The user is able to select the applicable ICD-10 code by either clicking and typing the desired code in the Search ICD-10 search field, or by clicking on any of the available ICD-10 codes on the available list. Click on the Close button in order to close the ICD-10 builder screen without saving any of the added codes. An attention pop-up will appear stating that the user might have unsaved changes and if the user wants to exit anyway. Click on the Cancel button to return to the ICD-10 builder screen. Click on the OK button to return to the diagnosis and plan panel without saving any of the added codes. In order to save the selected ICD-10 codes, click on the Save button on the ICD-10 builder screen. The selected ICD-10 code will display under the diagnosis search field. In order to remove the ICD-10 code, simply click on the red button next to the relevant ICD-10 code. Please take note that any notes can be made regarding the patient or any information the practitioner wants to type for their own record. Simply click on the General Notes free text field to start typing a note. A voice recorder function is also available. The Add Voice Recording button gives the user the ability to add as well as transcribe a voice recording the examination form. Click on the Add Voice Recording button. The voice record screen will open, which can then be used to make, upload, transcribe and listen to audio recordings. Click on the Close button to close the voice record screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the voice recording that was made. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu for more options. Click on the Save button to save the information captured on the form. Click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to save the lines captured as a macro. Click on the Save and Close button to save the form or the changes made.